Imagine diving beneath your skin, like opening a secret door into a tiny city where every alley is a hair follicle and every street. You're standing at the follicle fortress, watching tiny glands pumping out oil, sebum, like a highway of communication. Suddenly, Andro the hormone speeds in on the bloodstream, revving his engine and shout, "Time to make more oil." The sebum river surges, and nearby, a gang called Cutibacterium Acne senses a feast. They multiply, throw a wild block party, and soon you've got pimples popping up like tiny fireworks. But just as the party threatens to get out of control, Estro the peacekeeper cruises by on her smooth, calming wave. She whispers to the skin cells, "Chill out, slow your oil flow," and even calls in immune guards to clear the mess. The tension between Andro and Estro shapes the fate of Skinville. During puberty, Andro cranks up production. Boom. The acne season. Later, when Estro flexes her power in the menstrual cycle, you might spot a flare just before you. Welcome to the hormone acne roller coaster. Now zoom out. This little battle isn't just about pimples. It's a window into how sex hormones talk every part of our body. Andro and Estro don't only affect skin oil, they shape mood, drive, even brain wiring. Understanding their secret language can help us design smarter treatment. Targeted creams that block only B8 or probiotics that whisper sweet nothings to Cutibacteria. Turning foes into friends. Picture yourself in the lab. Fluorescent dyes lighting up oil gland. Mass spectrometers measuring tiny hormone fragments in sweat. RNA machines reading out which genes fire up when acne flame. You're a detective, tracing signals from brain to gland, mapping out the precise moment when Andro flips on the oil tap. You test new molecules under your microscope. Watch bacteria shift shapes, record how Estro's gentle nudge contains inflammation. Here's the twist. Sex hormones vary by age. Sex, health, stress, even sleep. That means acne is not one size fits all. Your mission as a sexuality scholar is to decode these personal patterns. Why does Sam get cystic acne at 20, but Taylor clears up? Could gut microbes talk back to hormone? Could a yoga session change your androgen level? Imagine crafting a workshop that teaches teens how their bodies speak through skin, how diet and stress send signals to follicles, how safe science-based habits can keep the peace in Skinville. As the lab bell rings, you realize this story never ends. Every breakthrough breeds new questions. How do hormone receptors work at the molecular level? How do environmental chemicals mimic andro? What if we could design a tiny capsule that releases estro right into the oil glands at the perfect moment? The future of acne research is not in bottles and creams alone. It's in understanding the grand conversation between hormones, skin, microbes, even mood. So grab your notebook, your pipette, your passion for sex science. There's a universe waiting under the surface, bursting with signals, alliances, and battle. And as you peel back each layer, we're not just fighting pimples, you're exploring the epic tale of our body, our identities, and the powerful chemistry that shapes who we are.